How to reset your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. To factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to actually install Galaxy Wearable app on your device. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Galaxy Wearable app. After which, click on the open button and then connect your device. Once you've actually done it, so then you want to scroll down. After which, you want to ensure your Galaxy Buds 3 are connected to your phone and open the Galaxy Wearable app. After which, scroll down in the app and tap on the earbud settings, then click or initiate reset. You'll be prompted to confirm the reset, so that tap reset again to proceed on. The earbuds will now be reset to a factory settings. You could reset your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.